Now in this video, we're going to answer the following question. Find the Cartesian equation of the curve given by the parametric equations. And we've been given the pair of equations, x equal to 50 t squared and y equal to 100 t. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, sharing this video, and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Cartesian and parametric equations are two different ways of describing a curve in a coordinate system. A Cartesian equation defines a curve by establishing a direct relationship between x and y coordinates and is the more familiar equation of a curve. Parametric equations express each x and y variable as separate functions and introduce a third independent variable called a parameter. Answering this question is a two-step process. To begin, we need to rearrange one of the parametric equations to make t the subject, before substituting that expression for t into the second equation and simplifying, if necessary. The two parametric equations we've been given are x equal to 50 t squared and y equal to 100 t. Rearranging x equal to 50 t squared and making t the subject, we need to isolate t by first dividing both sides by 50, which gives us x divided by 50 equal to t squared. Then take the square root of both sides, giving us the square root of x divided by 50 equal to t. We can substitute this expression for the variable t in the equation y equal to 100t, giving us y equal to 100 multiplied by the square root of x divided by 50. As an optional fourth step, we can square both sides to eliminate the square root, giving us y squared equal to 100 squared multiplied by x divided by 50. And 100 squared is 10,000, which, divided by 50, is 200, giving us the final solution, y squared equal to 200x. For more explanation and examples of Cartesian and parametric equations, including an alternative method for answering this question, search our channel for parametric equations. So, the Cartesian equation of the curve and the answer to this question is y squared equal to 200x. Please follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Threads for daily maths content.